Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on NIO, ticker symbol NIO. For those new to the channel, I focus mainly on the potential traps laid out by the market makers, and I do not provide any buy or sell calls. Always remember, the stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of people most of the time. Without further ado, let's take a look at NIO. So you see that NIO found some sort of support at its baseline, and it didn't pull back further down since the last Monday. So you can see that it is well supported by buyers, and it seems that it's trending back up now. So now the only resistance that we are looking out for is actually this particular resistance at a high here of around 23.35. So long as we are able to close above this 23.35, that will be a good sign for NIO, because it seems that we are able to punch up above this 23.35. But of course, it also depends on the closing price. If we are able to close above this price, or at least near the peak of maybe about 23.60 and above, then that will be a good sign. Nevertheless, you need to look at we are approaching the clouds, so do expect some resistance as we are coming near the clouds, or even when we're just about to touch it. So in the event that we have a good follow through and perhaps another green candle tomorrow, where exactly are my supports and resistance for NIO? My first resistance that I'm looking for NIO is around these levels here. It's around 25, 20. So just remember, easily is around 25. So that is my first resistance for NIO. And my second resistance for NIO will be around this high here that was done about 10 February 2022. The high was about 26.41. So it's around 26.40 to 26.50. These are potential resistance for NIO in the event that we are able to follow through with a more buy volume the very next day after today. And of course, if we look at where exactly is the potential final target for NIO, you can see that the first wave for NIO did not really have a very, very strong pullback. So it shows that buyers are actually supporting this counter. So if you put the arrow up here, NIO may have a potential upside to about, say, about $28, $28 to $29 may be a potential upside for NIO. Let's draw this slightly more well done to have a better representation. So if you look at NIO, we may potentially have a potential upside all the way up to 28.70 to about 28.50. So there seems to be more upside for NIO upcoming. Look at the MACD. We lost a bit of momentum here, but we actually follow through. So there may be more upside for NIO in the upcoming sessions and upcoming day. So hopefully NIO can have a very good close. And in the event we have a good close, we can potentially head up to 28 with 25 as a potential resistance. And the next resistance to clear is actually about 26.40. So yeah, if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe as you keep the Archer channel intact. Leave a comment below on your thoughts, or if you have any other stock TA requests, tune with me again. Appreciate the manipulation.